Hello friends, welcome to our Learn and Fun YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you all are good and doing good at your home. So guys, today's our topic is very interesting and it is such kind of topic which will be easy to you and easy to me. So guys, let's start our topic and discuss about the writing and articles earning thing. So before starting our topic, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so you will get our videos as soon as possible. So guys, let's start our topic, and today's our topic will be very interesting and it is good. So guys, for this topic we have to visit our Google. So let me go to the Google and let open the Google and type here writing websites. Okay, and they are saying that pay. So basically we are discovered the website which will give you pay on writing. So they are giving us such website which are here. Okay, website that pay writers, and these are the website you can see. First is an Upwork, the second one is Listverse, Freelancer, Pupil per Hour, SitePoint, Flex Jobs, Hubpage, the Penny Hoarder, Drone Rose, Money, Penty Media, Scripted, Chicken Soup for the Soil, Text. Okay, so these are the website. Let me check out that how much they are paying to. Okay, so e-commerce is an online job marketing place where similar to Upwork. That means you will create your profile. Okay, so they are just talking about the jobs, and let me visit that Listverse website. So Listverse pays 100 for a long and 150 words list on various topic. New York Absorb pays $100 on post about political and cultural. So it is good website. We can visit this website and you can easily earn $100, they are saying, which is great worth. Okay, so here is a freelancer website. A freelancer is an online jobs marketplace where similar to Upwork. That means you give, okay, so it is similar to Upwork, which will give you 100 types of jobs for freelancer. Okay, pupil per hour. Okay, this is also a website. At a first glance may appear like this site has an advantage over others since they do not take out cut off your earning directly. Okay, so they are saying that it is similar to Upwork. Okay, so here is a Meta Bistro website. Meta Bistro give you access to freelancer with the media companies like Browning Sing. You can sign up. Okay, they are directly give you link to the company which will give you projects and you have to complete the projects. And it's an online writing site for writing looking to work with media player, so you can easily do work with the media player, and here you will get the job. So here is a SitePoint, and SitePoint is authority when it comes to web development, and they are looking for in-depth articles about HTML. Okay, and they pay dollar $150 for articles, you can see here. And SitePoint is one of the largest online community of web profession with large vibrant form, thousands of tutorial and wide range of book. So there is also a wide range of book, you can see. There is a flex job, you can see, has tons of paid telecommute jobs that are vetted manually, so are getting equally setting. We are happy to share this. Okay, these are the they are giving other things about this, so you can see there are a lot of website are given here. So guys, so our topic is ended here. So if you have enjoyed our video, then subscribe our video, press the bell icon so you will get our videos as soon as possible. We will be meet in next video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.